Jesse, Rosa.
No.
What?
What?
Let's go outside.
Well, he's stopping my video inside and making another one. That's why you shouldn't do that. If you stop this one, I'm not going outside out.
What? What? Come on.
You know, stop the video. I'm just showing you. I'm just showing you. Showing them how it shoots. It's quick.
That one's not Nerf.
Oh, I know.
Say like repairs.
Say like repairs. How much bullets I got in here? I got 2 more.
Yeah. I took them out.
Let me shoot those.
You don't gotta though. You shot both of them at the same time.
Oh, that was good.
Oh yeah.
This one. I have a bullet inside it. So, man.